What's up guys, finally Samsung on Wednesday made a series of announcements at Tech Day 2019 concerning the next generation processors, RAM and storage solutions that will power future mobile devices. Included in the list of novelties is the brand new Exynos 990 processor and the 5G Exynos modem 5123, which will likely power next year's Samsung flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S11 and the Note 11. Both the 990 and the 5123 are built on 7nm EUV process technology, just like competing solutions from Apple, iPhone 11's A13 chipset and Huawei's Mate 30 Pro's Kirin 990 chipset. The Exynos 990 and the modem 5123 are specially tailored for future mobile devices that will make intensive use of the video and the artificial intelligence (AI) as well as 5G communications, Samsung said in the press release. In practice, we are looking at 20% boost from the CPU, which includes 2 high-performance Cortex A76 chipset and 4 power-efficient Cortex A55 chipset. On the GPU side, we have the ARM Mali G77 GPU, which is the first premium mobile graphics chipset based on the wall-hall architecture, and which will deliver up to 20% increased performance and the power efficiency. The Exynos 990 also teases one potential new feature of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S11 and the Note 11 phones, and that's a display with a high refresh rate. The chip packs a 120Hz refresh rate display driver, which is the kind of refresh you to expect from Android gaming phones. The screen tech giant might also be used on foldable handsets of the future, Samsung teases. The processor also features a 120Hz refresh rate display driver, which makes games come alive by reducing Samsung tearing and enabling smoother animations even on devices with multiple displays such as foldable phones. On the photography front, we are looking at a new ISP image signal processor that supports up to 6 image sensors with concurrent processing on 3 of them, as well as the resolution of up to 108 megapixel. Additionally, the new chipset contains a top-class dual-core neural processing unit and an improved digital signal processor that can perform over 10 trillion operations per second. Thus, the Galaxy S11 should support on-device AI features, whether it comes to voice assistance, photography, and anything else that can benefit from AI. This should increase security and efficiency and reduce the need for sending data to other servers for AI features. One other significant advantage of the Exynos 990 is RAM memory. The chip can handle LPDDR5 memory, which means data speeds can go up to 5500 MB per second. The 5G modem, meanwhile, supports 5G speeds of up to 5.1 GB per second in sub 6 GHz and up to 7.35 GB per second in mmWave. Top speed drops to 3 GB per second on 4G LTE. Samsung didn't say when the Exynos 990 will be available or what devices it will power, but it sure looks like the kind of chipset that will be found on all of its 2020 flagships, and maybe the first one will be the Samsung Galaxy S11. So yeah, that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.